Hi people, welcome. I'm just doing a quick video and an update regarding the HANNA EA. There was just one thing which I missed out, and that was the template. Okay, what it was is where I transferred it across. I didn't quite realize that I hadn't got the template, so this will be part two. Okay, what we're also going to do is we're going to run through a couple of bots that are actually running recently at the moment. The Zenith bot and the SMC setup is working really well. You'll note that with inside this account, this is my DarwinX account, and this one is my third account. Okay, you'll see that I'm having some profits in here. My balance is 108,791. Now, if you were watching the video before, you would have seen this at 710, 110,000. The reason why is because if we look into the history, you'll see that currently my profit is 11,013, so this is really good. Okay, you'll see that this one here, for argument's sake, XAU USD, and this was on the 6th of January. This one here made 1,853, so you know it's going in the right direction. Okay, and there's another one above it which was 1,307. So I'm just showing you how it's all working. The USD CAD bot, it's made £557.09. Remember what I said to you about the USD CAD bot? This bot, it performs, it does exceedingly well. Okay, due to the set file and the time and dedication that I spent to get the set file right. This is why it's very important to get the actual files right. Okay, you'll see that there's a couple of other USD CAD. This is still the bot. Okay. And you can see this is at 24641 7442, and what I would do is I would basically just leave it. Okay, because with the DarwinX Zero account, we haven't got to worry about losing our 10% margin. Okay, if it falls below, it's going to go back up again if it's within inside those certain regions. And this is why I trade with the DarwinX Zero account, is because it's drawdown proof. Right, what it means is that my $108,000 that I've got inside this account, if it dropped to $108,001, then I'll lose my account. But the likelihood of that is extremely high. Okay, because if I had any of these trades that didn't quite take off, then I would manually trade them and I would get them back up. Now, there's a couple of trades which I've got running here, which I've started trading again. I'm using the Galaxy Gold MT5. I'm using the USD CAD bot again. I will show you again. If we go into the history folder, because I like to be transparent as possible, you can see that I've had a couple of wins here. This one here came in today. This is the 13th of January. You'll see that I made $836.16. You'll also see that my profit margin, okay, is 252,629, and my balance is 352,629. Okay, and if we go back to the trade, you'll see that there is a drawdown of 3,355. Okay, this is nothing to worry about because I have a formula that I'm using, and I follow the formula and I don't allow emotions to take over. Okay, so you'll see that I've got this particular trade set up here at 2662.80. okay, this is an XAU USD, and you can see that I've got this set up at 2680. So this is when I'm going to close this trade. You also see I've got another one that's already in profit of $667.42, and this one is going to be closed as well at 2680. So I could probably make quite a significant sum of money on this, which is going to help with my allocations. Okay, so I just wanted to bring that up for you. You can also see the GPP NZD. These are the bots here. You can see this one here is in profit. These both are in profit. $99.05 on this one and $138.55 on this one. This is why I use the AI Dynamaster EA, because it just keeps chugging in bits of coins, if you like. Okay, so you see the GPP NZD, it's on the 30-minute window and it's profitable. Okay, so there's a little bit of an update that I want to show you regarding on the MT4. You'll notice if you were watching the last video, and also if you are a member inside Darren's Trading Academy, you will find inside there that the last bot that I introduced to the academy was the HANNA EA bot. This is an MT4 bot. We work on an MT4 platform. It's a great little bot. There was just one thing which I forgot, because for the last 24 hours I've noticed that the bot didn't take a trade, and I thought, well, this is strange. So I double checked to make sure that my tools were set up and my options. Double check that I've allowed web requests for listed URL, allowed Dell imports potentially, and allowed automated trading. Okay, so I've made sure that all these are set up correctly, and then I've gone to the bot. This is really good for me to go over this, because this can catch a few people out. Is that you know probably pretty much how to set the inputs up. I would set this up at 0.01, okay, because you just want the bot to chug along and see how it gets on. If you find that it is working in profit, then you want to put it to 0.1, but only do it if you've got a minimum of £100,000. Okay, this is designed to work on $1,000 account. Okay, however, I would be inclined to use 0.01 lots at the moment, just to be on the safe side. Now, when you go to the common, you want to make sure that the live trade and allow live trading is on here. Allow Dell imports is on here, okay, and allow import of external experts is on there. So now we're going to click OK, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add the template, which I completely forgot last time. Okay, you can tell I'm human and not a robot. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to my file, which is right here, and we're going to add the HANNA template. Now, if you've already followed the instructions of what I showed you in the last video, this will show you exactly how to set up all of your indicators, and this will also show you how to set up the bot itself. Now, what I might do is I might just go over that just very quickly, so you're aware, just in case it will save you having to go through the other video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you quickly. This was the video here anyway, okay, which is Darren's Trading Academy. This is the HANNA EA, okay, so this was the actual video I did yesterday, and now we're going to introduce this particular template to here. So it's very simple. All we need to do is we need to add it into the platform. So we go to File, Open Data Folder. This is going to open up this file, okay, and then we want to go to Templates. We want to right mouse click and then paste in the template, okay, and you can see this is the HANNA template. Now it's really funny actually, because while I was at work today, I was thinking to myself, do you know, I'm sure that indicator should have a template, because how is he going to get all the indicators to work? And then I was also thinking, how am I going to create a template to be able to get all those indicators to work? So, you know, it's been playing on my mind, and then of course I found the template. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add the template. This is very simple. Okay, there's two ways you can do this. You can go into here, Open Data Folder. You can go to the Templates folder, okay, and you can add it in. Okay, the best way to do it is to right mouse click, go to Template, and then Load Template, and then click on the HANNA template. If you double click it, and in a few seconds this will spring to life. Now we have a completely different platform where it is starting to take trades. Okay, so now this system is up and running. So if you have any problems with the HANNA bot, that's what you need to do. Now, just going to go over the last few things just in case you didn't do it. Okay, so if you want to put the Expert Advisor on, you want to go to MQL4. You want to grab the Expert Advisor, right mouse click and copy. Okay, and then you want to go to File, you want to go Open Data Folder, you want to go to MQL4 Experts, and you paste in the bot there. Okay, and you can see that I've already got the bot there. Now what I don't want to do is add it, because I've already set it up with set files. Now the set files are available inside Darren's Trading Academy. Okay, these are unique to me. Okay, so these bots are what I use to actually take trades, etc. And what I would be inclined to do at the very moment is to check out video 53. Well, if I show you it, if you go to this video here, if you check out this video here, okay, which is the HANNA EA, if you check this video out, this is going to show you how to make sure that you set your presets up. Okay, and this is where you're going to put your set files. It's all included in there. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. What I will be showing you just quickly is I will give you a little bit of a demonstration just in case you don't quite know. Okay, so we're going to go over here. So we've done the actual Expert Advisor. We're going to go back. The indicators, you just click on here. You want to grab all the indicators like so. Right mouse, copy, and copy. Okay, so we've now got this. Go back over to your, remember it's MetaTrader 4 platform. Click on here. Go to Open Data folder. Go to MQL4, go to indicators, right mouse click and paste them in. Okay, and what you would do is you would hit OK. It's telling me that there's a confliction because I've already added them in, so I'm not going to be adding them again. You can see that these are working quite well. It's giving me points it's going into the market and out of the market. Also, please remember that the HANNA bot is artificial intelligence as well. Okay, so you need to make sure you click on Tools, Options, and make sure that you have put in https://cii.ai.backbone.com/protector. Okay, this is very important because it won't be able to pick up the artificial intelligence news that it requires to work correctly. Okay, next thing I'm going to be showing you is we're going to go over to indicators. I'm going to go back again. We're going to go to the presets, and what you want to do is just basically copy these two. Okay, well, let's just go back. Presets, it's got in here. So what you want to do is you want us to take that out. That's what happens when you move things around. Let's paste that. So what you want to do is you just want to copy these two like so. Okay, so you've got the 1 hour and the 15 minute, and the 1 hour has got AUD set, NZD, JPY set, and USD JPY set for 1 hour, and the 15 minute is CAD JPY set, Euro GBP set, and XAU USD set. Okay, so I'm just showing you so you're aware of it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add the presets in very quickly. So we're going to go back over here, and then we're going to go to File. We're going to go to Open Data folder. We're going to go to MQL4. We're going to go to Presets. Double click on the presets. You want to make yourself a HANNA EA preset. And if you double click on here, you see that I've already added the two supplies in here. The 1 hour charts with 3 charts ready for you, already set up, and the 15 minute. All you need to do is make sure that you change the magic number. The magic number is right here. If we go over to the Expert Advisors, Properties, Inputs, you want to make sure that you change this number. Okay, it's very important. It has to be a 4-digit number which is unique to you, and also make sure that those numbers aren't the same on both charts if you are already trading with another one. So for argument's sake, where this one, the AUD JPY, is running, there is also another one on here as well. I think I'm almost sure I've got another one somewhere. Here we go. This one here, CAD JPY, a 1 hour time frame, and you notice that this is actually taking trades even though we haven't got the actual we haven't even got the template on here. Okay, so this is very simple to do. Again, right mouse click, go to template, load template, click on the HANNA template, and then hit open. This is going to activate the bot, and in a minute you're going to see the bot in action. You can also see that it's worked out the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. It sets up stop loss buy. Trend was up, so it's giving you an idea of where the trend is, etc. And if you hover your actual mouse over here, it will show you the highs and lows levels. This is where it's worked it out, and this is where it creates a access point to get into a trade and an access point to get out of a trade. And you'll also notice that it has a hotspot over here where it's keeping an eye on the high currency pairs. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of this video. Okay, so this is really part 2 of the HANNA EA, plus a little bit of an update of how I'm doing inside my academy. Just one thing before I go: if you want to join us inside the EEFX Freedom Group, I'm now allowing people in here for a short time only, free access. This is going to allow you to pop in and see what my trading academy is all about. Ask the members in here if I'm legitimate and if I'm helping them, and you know, because in case you know you want a little bit of credibility or to know if I'm authentic before you decide to purchase Darren's Trading Academy. and if you're very quick, you'll get it for $397. He's going up shortly to $497. I just haven't quite finished the sales pages yet. All the very best till my next video. Thank you. Bye now.